Good morning. Welcome to E-mini Futures by Sell.com. This is Balasubramanian Iyer here welcoming you. This is the legal disclaimer. This is our website. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can use exchange traded funds or ETFs to profit from our swing trade signals. Now I'm making an assumption you the guy who is watching the video, he or you whoever you have a 9 to 5 job, you have a full-time business, you don't have time to sit in front of the computer and torture yourself watching the chart. You can still make very good money using our signals. Remember, we deliver on a plate the swing trade signals and we spoon feed you via email on an Excel file, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how you make use and how you make money, assuming you have a full-time job and you have no time to torture yourself with charts and technical analysis. The God is great. God gives us enough chances to be happy and make money. All you have to do is use a little bit of common sense. So I'm going to show you. Let's take example of gold. Gold, we gave a sell on 24th. That was in the evening. So you're going to put the trade on 25th. Okay. You could have even called your broker. Now I've got a Excel file which gives all the symbol lists. For gold, since we are saying sell, if it is buy, you go long GLD. If it is a sell, you go long GLL. That is a symbol. God, London, London. So you call your broker. So on 25th of April, let's go to the GLL chart. Okay. So this is on the 24th. So here on 25th of April, you would have called your broker from your office and you would have asked him to buy whatever you can afford, 100 shares, 50 shares, 200 shares, 1000 shares. If you're a millionaire, maybe 10,000 shares, whatever you could afford. But look, gold, this ETF goes up when gold goes down. Okay, so if you had bought it in this price from 73.8, GLL went up to 78. So you can see almost $5 per unit per share. So $5, if you had put 100 shares, you would have made $500. If you put 1000 shares, you would have made $5,000. And this and every day in the swing trade signal we are informing you, trade is open. Every day I'm updating, in the status column. So it's not that okay, you bought the ETF and next day, let's say you bought it here, next day gold goes up 1000 points or whatever, some nonsense, and therefore if gold goes up then GLL will crash. No, we're protecting you. That's my job. That's why you're paying me money. Every day I'm updating you. No, trade is still open. Trade is still open. Trade is closed. I say closed. Open, open, open. New trade I've opened for tomorrow EFA. So you see, you could have made a cool $5 in GLL based on my gold sell signal. You have a full-time job. You have no time to torture yourself with technical analysis and charts. Still you're making money. In fact, this way I challenge you will make more money than the day traders, those who are active day traders. Okay, let me give you an example of a pound. If you remember, British pound, from 16th April we gave the buy. Okay, and I even added more size out. So let's go to the pound chart. So the pound symbol is FXB. Okay, so 16th April, obviously 16th April was here, right? 17th April was this price. So either you went, I'm assuming this is 17th. So if I signaled on 16th, which was a Sunday, so you would have, logically you should have bought the ETF on Monday, 17th of April. Okay, so from 122.4 or wherever in this price, it is now trading at 126.5. So $4 move, So you are in profit by $4. Even if you were lazy and you bought it only here on the 19th of April, you're still up a couple of $2. And I'm expecting FXB to go to 136, another $10 move. When? In 3 to 6 months. If I'm wrong, well, I'm wrong. But this is my recommendation, my prediction. So you see, there is money to be made with swing trade signal. So some of you are complaining, oh, I can't trade futures. Oh, I can't trade options. Oh, I can't trade mini lot. Oh, I can't trade micro lot. The world does not come to an end. You can still trade ETF. Who is stopping you? You can buy 50 shares. You can buy 10 shares of ETF. You can buy 100 shares. You know, you don't have to be a millionaire to make money. Who said that? In fact, most millionaires are dumb and have no common sense. Okay, that's what I have seen. So now let's look at Euro US dollar, or let's look at US dollar Japanese yen. 25th of April, we said go long US dollar Japanese yen. So that is FXY. FXY is that means if US dollar yen goes up, FXY will go down. Okay, so from 25th of April, FXY has gone down 86 to 85, almost $1 move. Of course, here you cannot short FXY, so you have to buy the inverse of the opposite of X. There is a symbol I am not showing here, but if you go to this, I have given this link here. If you go to this link, you will get that ETF. Okay. Now let's look at oil. You know, I did not signal oil, but I'm just giving you an example. If I had signal oil, you would SCO is to short oil. Okay. Now look at SCO. How much it has gone up? Assuming here I goofed up, I made a blunder. I should have signaled. But let's pretend I did signal. Then you would have gone long SCO 38.9 and 45. So you see, $7 SCO went up. SCO goes up when oil goes down. UCO goes up when oil goes up. Okay, that's the logic. So SCO went up, and if you had taken the signal, you would have made. So there is money to be made using ETFs, is what I'm trying to communicate to you. Okay. Now lastly, let's look at another swing trade. For every instrument there is an ETF. Okay, for every instrument there is money to be made always. So let's look at one last example of euro. Euro, we said go long on 24th. So FXC. So let's pretend you went long on 25th, because 24th is late evening, right? So where are we? 24th. So 25th. So here, somewhere in this day you go. So let's take the middle point here, 105.7. You're holding the ETF because I'm updating you every day. Open, trade open, trade open, trade open. Okay, you're holding 105 and you're in profit. You're in profit. $1.80, whatever. You're still in profit. And I think that this will, if Macron wins today is Sunday, you could see tomorrow this will gap up to 108. Okay, so this is where it will be tomorrow if Macron wins today, which I think he will. So you see, there is enough money in the market, you know, using our swing trade signal. And for this service, I'm only charging $100. That's it. I'm not charging $5,000, $10,000 as all those scamsters in United States and Canada and all over the world. You know, for $100, I'm showing you how easy it is to make money. I'm not doing courses. I'm not scamming you with indicators. I'm none of that BS out there. Okay, all I'm doing, I'm giving you a swing trade signal. I'm putting the date. I'm putting the legal timestamp. I'm giving you the trade. I'm telling you enter at market. I'm giving you everything. You can enter at market. You will have to buy the ETF the next day, because I'm sending the email late in the evening. Obviously, you cannot buy or sell ETF in the evening. Markets are closed. So I've shown you, demonstrated to you how the very next day you buy the ETF, you're making money. You're making money, easy money. Money was to be made in FXB, GLL, SCO. Of course, SCO I did not signal. FXC, FXY, everywhere you are making money. You know, it's so simple. Even in this, even if you trade 100 shares, you would have made like maybe $1,000, $2,000, whatever. You know. So it's as simple, okay? It's not complicated. As long as the person who is doing this job, who is delivering you the signal, is most of the time winning. You have a winner in working with you. Granted, I missed the sell in oil. It's not that I win all the time. I forgot to give a signal. I forgot to give a signal in Canadian dollar. I mean, I'll advertise my losers as much as I advertise my winners, okay? But most of the time I'm winning. Most of the time I'm winning. Why? Because I'm not relying on some stupid indicators and stupid technical analysis. I use my brain. I use my common sense. That's how I find trades. Okay. As long as someone is doing that and spoon feeding you the signals, using their common sense and working hard, burning the midnight oil, and not relying on some course and indicator, you are on a winning path. And I've shown you. You have a 9 to 5 job, easy peasy. See how nicely is there, you know, but risk is always there. I mean, that's why I want you to read the legal disclaimer, you know. But the key is the person who is providing you the signal, is he a qualified professional? You know, I'm a chartered accountant. You can look at my profile. You know, if you go to my profile, I have 3 academic qualifications. I have worked as Chief Financial Officer of public companies in Canada, in India, Middle East, everywhere. I have a lot of qualification. I'm not like many of these people who in the trading world who don't have academic qualifications, and they don't want to disclose their academic qualifications. You know, I'm a chartered accountant. I'm a certified public accountant. So my academic strength is important. You know, who is giving you signal? Is he a professional? Okay, it's very important. Okay, you don't want a ballet dancer giving you trade signal. By the way, there are some ballet dancers who are running trading rooms. I laugh at it. You know, how can a ballet dancer be a trader? Give me my foot. Give me it's a big joke. You know. So I don't want ballet dancers, truck drivers. There is a truck driver in Toronto. I don't want to name him. He's running a trading service. How can a truck driver be a trader? Give me a break. So academic qualifications is very important. Okay, so as long as the person providing you is well qualified, has common sense, is sharp, is working and burning the midnight oil and not scamming you, you are on a winning path. Okay, God bless.